So, have you ever wondered if Trello is owned by Google? It's a question that often pops up in discussions about project management tools. And to be honest, it's a pretty good question. Imagine a world where Trello, with its colorful cards and intuitive interface, is actually a Google product. Would it change how we use it? Would it integrate seamlessly with other Google tools like Gmail and Drive? And most importantly, would it still be the beloved tool that we know and love? Before we dive into the answer, let's take a quick look at Trello's history. It was founded in 2010 by Joel Spolsky, Michael Pryor, and Glenn Sanford. They created Trello as a simple visual way to organize tasks and projects. It quickly gained popularity due to its user-friendly interface and flexibility. Google, on the other hand, is a tech giant known for its wide range of products and services, including search, email, cloud computing, and more. It's a company that has a history of acquiring other companies to expand its offerings. Addressing the question, so, is Trello owned by Google? The answer is no. Trello is not owned by Google. There have been rumors and speculations about Google acquiring Trello over the years. These rumors often arise due to the fact that Trello's interface and features sometimes seem similar to other Google products. However, there has never been any official confirmation of a Google acquisition. Exploring the relationship. While Trello is not owned by Google, the two companies do have a close relationship. Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite, offers Trello as an integration. This means that Trello users can connect their accounts to Google Workspace and enjoy seamless integration with other Google tools like Gmail, Drive, and Calendar. This integration has been beneficial for both Trello and Google. It has helped Trello reach a wider audience and has provided Google Workspace users with a valuable project management tool. However, it's important to note that this integration does not mean that Trello is a Google product. The benefits of independence. One of the reasons why Trello has remained independent is likely due to the benefits of being a standalone company. As an independent entity, Trello has more flexibility to innovate and adapt to the changing needs of its users. It can make its own decisions without being influenced by the broader goals of a larger corporation like Google. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, no, Trello is not owned by Google. While the two companies have a close relationship, Trello remains an independent entity with its own unique identity. The fact that Trello is not owned by Google is both a blessing and a curse. On the one hand, it allows Trello to maintain its independence and innovate at its own pace. On the other hand, it may limit its access to some of the resources and opportunities that a larger corporation like Google could provide. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.